Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to talk about the process of HEC degree attestation. Whether you are applying abroad or you intend to go for scholarships for your higher studies, the first step you need to do is to make sure that all your documents are duly attested. So the attestation process begins from your matric and FSc degrees. You need to attest your matric and FSc degrees firstly from your relevant board. Like if I have done my matric and FSc from Lahore board, I will go to the office of Lahore board and get my degrees attested. Once you receive the attested photocopies of your degrees in an enclosed envelope, you will go and take that envelope to IBCC for further stamping and attestation completion. So for attestation of your matric and FSc documents, you need to go to your relevant board and IBCC office. Then comes the attestation of your university level transcripts and degrees, including your bachelor's, master's degrees. For that, you need to create a profile on HEC e-services and then apply online for your degree attestation process. There are two ways to get your degrees attested. The urgent one is through walk-in appointment, where you can schedule an appointment and go to the HEC office either in Lahore, Islamabad, Quetta or Karachi and get your degrees attested on the same day when you have your appointment. The second way is to get your degrees attested through courier service, that is TCS. So it is a bit time consuming process and it takes around 10 to 15 days to get your degrees attested and receive them on your home address. So these are the two ways we are going to discover in today's video. So let's go to our computer screen and see how you can complete your online application for HEC degree attestation process. So this is the official website of HEC where you can get all the details about degree attestation process. I will share the link of this website in the video description and you can access it from there. So there are some updates that I wanted to share regarding HEC degree attestation process. The first update is that HEC has now introduced the one link payment system through which you can pay the attestation fee online rather than going to the HEC office and submitting the fee into the bank or submitting the fee to the courier services. You can pay your fee online and upload the receipt online for confirmation. So this is the new update. And second thing that they have made the system paperless, so you don't need to submit any hard copies. You just need to create your online login profile on the HEC portal on e-services and then complete your profile and upload all your documents in the soft form for verification and then apply for attestation. So the attestation process can go in two ways. One is by scheduling your appointment for walk-in. So this is the urgent process. Once you get the appointment, you will go on that day to the HEC office, nearest HEC office, and get your degrees attested on the same day. And the second process is through designated courier service, that is through TCS, and you can send your documents through TCS, and it is a bit of time consuming process. It will take around 10 to 15 days ideally to get your documents back on your home address. Applicants will have to first pay the attestation fee online through one link and verify the payment in their profile. So in both cases you need to pay your attestation fee through one link and then confirm your payment receipt online. Then it states that applications under walk-in urgent mode are attested and returned on the same day. Applicants are required to submit original documents of all previous qualifications metric onward. So make sure that when you are creating your profile, you submit all the details of your education from metric to onwards to the highest degree you have in your record. Then there are two modes that we have already discussed, and in case of queries and questions you can always reach out to the facts section of this website. So regarding the fee, the most updated fee is that the attestation fee for each original document is 1000 rupees and for each photocopy 700 rupees. So here one document means one page of each document. Like if your transcript has 2 pages, then you will be charged for 2000 rupees for your original transcript, and similarly 1400 rupees for your photocopy of that transcript. So you need to count the number of pages and pay accordingly to HEC for your degree attestation. So now let's move to the e-services portal and see how you can fill up the online application and submit for attestation process. So once you click here, you will be redirected to this website where you can sign in if you already have a login, already have an account, or if you are new to this portal, you will click on sign up and you need to make a new account by providing your email address, your CNIC or your passport number, and then you will receive a confirmation email on your email address. And once you confirm, then your login will be created. I already have an account on HEC portal, so I will just enter my details and enter my password in order to sign in. So once you enter your CNIC and password, you will be login into your account. So if you have created a new account, the first thing on this portal you need to do is to complete your profile. So you will click on this picture and then you will go on my profile section. So here you have the personal information section where you need to fill up all the information, personal information you have. Then you need to fill up the address information. Then you need to provide all the details of your educational record, starting from the matriculation level onwards to FSC, then bachelor's and then master's if you have already done it. Then once you complete the online profile, you will go on the dashboard and you can see here that you have completed all the sections of your profile. So profile picture is uploaded, personal details are filled, contact details are filled, address details are provided, and educational details are duly provided. So once your profile is 100% complete, only then you would be able to apply for attestation process. So again, on this home page, you can also figure out the updated status of your applications, previous applications. Like I have two approved applications, that means I have already got my degrees attested in two different applications, and the ones that are unsubmitted or ongoing will be at the status of saved. So you can also see the overall process of your degree attestation by selecting the application ID. So it is showing all the applications that I have in my list. So I will click on any of one of them to see the status of my current application. So the first step is the submission. The second step is the scrutiny. Scrutiny means that you upload all the documents of your educational record online, the soft copies, and HEC verifies that all these documents are original and you can proceed with the actual attestation process. The initial scrutiny takes 1 to 2 weeks generally, and then you receive an email. If you have applied for walk-in, they provide you the date when you can visit the HEC office and get your degrees attested. Or if you have applied for the courier, then they will give you a date when you can go to the TCS office and submit your documents to them for attestation. Then the courier details uploaded, courier receipt received hard copy successfully. So HEC is saying that they have received my hard copies, and hard copies dispatched is the last process when HEC dispatch your documents to your home address. So this is the whole process you need to go through for degree attestation. So to start your new application, you will simply click on apply for degree attestation services. I will open this one and show you the application process. So once you click on apply for degree attestation, you will get all these instructions, and you need to carefully read all these instructions and check that you have already read the instructions and you agree with the terms and conditions. So once you proceed, you have the first section, that is personal details. Once you have completed your profile, it will automatically extract all your personal details here. So if you want to make any changes, you can see and you can verify your personal information here. The second page is the detail of degrees. If you go on the next step. So here in this section, you need to provide the detail of your degrees. So here we have the degrees that we need to attest. So I have my bachelor's and master's degree. You need to select the degrees which you want to attest after completion of this section. Once you have checked the degree you want to attest, you will click on next step. Once you click on the next step, you will be moved towards the attestation details page, where you need to select the mode of attestation that you want to choose. So you have two options, either walk-in, that is urgent attestation, or through courier service. So if you are inside Pakistan, you will choose this. If you don't have any disability, you will choose no, and you choose your district. Once you choose it, then it is showing you that which degree you are going to attest. So here you need to um, include the number of original documents that are in your degree. So degree generally has one page, so one page for original and one page of photocopy documents. So most of the students ask that do they need to get their photocopies attested. Yes, it's better to always get one set of your original documents duly attested and one set of photocopies attested. So it will make sure that wherever you are applying across the globe, you can use your photocopies as well as your original transcripts and degrees for verification purpose. So for the transcript, generally the bachelor's transcript is of more than one pages. So you need to choose the number of pages you have for your original document and again for the photocopy. So in case you don't have your degree, you can get a provisional certificate from your university, and this can also be attested through HEC. If you have an equivalent certificate, that can also be attested through HEC. So make sure there is no duplication of attestation that you have already done. So here you can see the total amount that you will be charged for the attestation process of this number of documents, original as well as photocopy. So once you move to next, then you will get to the next section, that is to upload your all your documents starting from your metric onwards to the highest degree. So first you need to upload your identity documents, the front and back side of your CNIC and passport. Then you need to provide the copies of your degree and transcript that you are going to attest, and then you need to provide all the soft form original documents of your previous educational record. So whichever document you are attesting, you need to upload all the documents in this section in the PDF format. All your CNIC identity document, if you have passport, then passport as well, all your degrees and transcripts that you have acquired so far. After uploading the documents, you will move to the verify details sections, where you will make the payment. That is the total amount that has been shown previously. So after completing the payment and uploading your receipt, you will verify all the details and submit your application. Once you submit the application, then your application will be shown here as submitted. So and you can check the status of your application here by selecting the application ID, and you can see how your application is proceeding and at which stage your application is currently in. So this was all about the HEC degree attestation process and your online application to get your degrees attested from HEC. I hope you have liked the video, and make sure to share this video with all of your friends who are in need of this information. Before going, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest scholarship alerts.